there are many ways to get to a workout that you want. If this workout is prescribed today, we can click on the weight here in the toolbar, or we just click on today's workout on dashboard. If this workout isn't prescribed on today, we go to a workout calendar and select the date where this workout is. In every workout, first you have the instructions. Here, for example, are general instructions. If you have speed workout, you get speed instructions. If you have conditioning workout, you get conditioning instructions, and you also get specific instructions for mobility workout and the off days. So after you read the instructions, there is the warm-up followed by main part of the workout and cool down at the end. All workouts are made up to work in supersets that are marked with letters, so you do 2 or 3 exercises together. For example, here is the superset A, where are 2 exercises, barbell hip thrust and mat ball standing long jump. So you do first set of hip thrust and standing long jump right after that, then you move on to second set of hip thrust, and after that second set of standing long jump, and so on. When you finish all sets, you move to another superset, in this case to superset B. I can click on this arrow down here to start workout. So first the instructions, then warm up, but if I skip this and show you one exercise in the main part, so for each exercise you have a video of execution, the number of reps, number of sets, tempo of execution, and a pause between sets. Here between sets and reps you have a blank space to write how much you lift. If there was a body weight exercise, you just write 0. If it's conditioning workout and you are on a watt bike, you write watts. If you are running, you write kilometer per hours. If it's speed exercise, you write 0, and so on. Just type something that we know you complete the exercise. You also have a timer for rest. Under the video you have the option opt out. You click on this when you can't do this exercise. So here you can select a reason why. I don't know, because of an injury, prohibited, lack of equipment. For example, if you don't have equipment, you can replace this exercise with another one. You can also leave us a note and so on. You also have the opportunity to record yourself or take a picture of the execution of the exercise here in the media. You also have the option of writing your own journal of a certain exercise. Here you can write something, take a picture, and monitor the technical implementation and so on. Below these buttons you have some special individual instructions, for example height of the box when jumping, or something what we are looking for in execution of the exercise. Down here on the right side you have a clock button where you can see your history of this exercise, for example how much you lifted last week. On the left side there are just some information, in this case just a video. With these arrows I can move on to another exercise, I can move forward, I can move backward, and I can click X for exit. Now for example I show you one conditioning workout where everything is the same. So instructions, here you can write your heart rate, there is the warm-up and the main part. There is just more information about rest between reps, intensity, so there in the blank space you must write watts. And it's the same for speed and mobility workouts.